Okay, my dear students, we are going to do three kinds of sentences. Sentences are of three main kinds. Study the following sentence. He goes. One clause. He goes when I come. Two clause. He goes and I come is again having two clause. In sentence 1 has only one clause. The clause is the whole sentence. If we say he goes, it makes a complete sentence. A sentence having only one clause is called a simple sentence. You have to remember this. What is a simple sentence? A sentence having only one clause is called a simple sentence. Next one, sentence 2 has one main or principal clause. He goes and one dependent or subordinate clause when I come. He goes is a complete sentence, but if I say when I come is incomplete, that means it need again someone to help him. Dependent sentence. So he goes is the main clause because it does not depend on any other for its meaning and it can stand independently by itself. It brings out the main or the most important principle, meaning or sense of a sentence. When I come is the subordinate or independent clause. Subordinate or dependent clause. Please see this. When I come. He goes complete sense. When I come is the subordinate clause. So this one was a principal clause. So this one, such a sentence having one main clause and at least one subordinate clause is a complex sentence. One main clause and one subordinate clause is called a complex sentence. Again, I think it is clear to all of you. Sentence which have only one clause is a simple sentence. A sentence having one main clause and at least one subordinate clause is a complex sentence. Now, in the third sentence, he goes and I come. These two sentences are joined by and. He goes does not depend on I come, nor does the second clause depend on the first. Both the clause stand independently. दोनों ही अलग है. Both are independent. He goes, one goes, another come. They are two main clause and can be broken up into two independent sentences. He goes and I come. Such a sentence having two or main clause is called a compound sentence. So this one is a compound sentence. So again I'm telling you the difference between these three. Only with one clause is simple sentence. With one main clause and subordinate clause is a complex sentence. And sentence having two or more main clause is called a compound sentence. So now you are going to do the exercise. That exercise is very easy. Pick out the principal clause and the subordinate clause or the clause in each of the following sentence. Burke spoke is a principal clause. As though as he were a born orator is a subordinate clause. So this you can do yourself. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.